Hi YouTube, and this is my friend Shotama, and I will record book server again, and that's everybody in this, and this is Shaira. So, what we're gonna do today is, I don't know, just try and see this server. The next episode, I don't know what is the next episode. I don't think. Don't forget to enjoy and sub and like in my YouTube videos. That is the statue. It's Humane. So we wait for her because Sarah said wait. So we will wait. Lol. So Shotana is day is his day. He just said in the chat. This is my kittens. And this is Shaw and this is Shira. Yeah, I'm recording. She just ran. Okay. So this is the exit. There's the spawn, and when you can escape in this spawn there. So this is the exit. Yara is my friend in this server. He said make me trainer. We will explore this house. Now first Lisa and Kat's house. So this is Lisa and Kat's house. Sub to Hey, it's Megan to Hardware. She has a YouTube channel. And Lisa too. And Shotanma. And the others to if they have YT. This is the TV and the table or whatever this is called. Subscribe. So this is made things there. And this is the bathroom. Where's the bathroom? So this. And the stairs go up. And this is Yara and Saya room. Yara and Chaya are sister. They're This is the gaming boy Manan. This is Sweet Candy 2. There's a baby. And this is Lisa Cutie. And that's Beauty. And this is Lisa and Cute Kitty and Katsuma Office. And the last is Sweet Candy Room. And that's the last explore of the house.
Ah, nahawak ko rin. Ano ba yan? Naka-cellphone ko. Hey, si Papa nag-text. Ah, naano ko.
Budget for the next episode.